Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the another one of the concept, conversion of units. Conversion of unit already you have learned in the lower classes, is it? Metric units you have learned. Okay, what we learned in the previous class? Just to go through that. Division of decimal fractions. Okay, so division of fraction by tens, hundred, thousand, and division of fraction by whole number and decimal numbers. I hope you all understood that concept. Okay, today what we learn? Conversion. Okay, yes, conversion of units. Conversion of units. So already you have learned, is it? So which are the units you have know? You know the gram, is it? Meter, gram, liters. These are the common units. Okay, and also we have learned the which are the first one is K. Okay, so you shortly write K, height. Okay, kilo, hectare, and then next one is D, is it? So King Henry drinks usually. Okay, remember for மறக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த ஆர்டரை நீங்கள் வச்சுக்கோங்க. King Henry drink usually dark chocolate milk. Dark chocolate milk, that is kilo. Okay, hectare, then deca, and units means which are the units you have considered? First one is meter, second one of the meter unit is gram, third one is liter. Okay, and D means deci. D means deci. Okay, and C means centi. M means milli. Okay, what are the place values of this prefix? These are the prefix, is it? So what are the place values of this? So place values of these measures is 1000. So plus first place is the largest value 1000, and hectare means 100. Okay, deca, tenth. So unit is having the unit place 1. Okay, and D means deci. Deci is tenth. After the decimal point, you know, tenth, hundredth, thousands. The same measurements we have considered. So tenth means what is the meaning of tenth? 1 by 10. 1 by 10, and then centi means 1 by 100, milli means 1 by 1000. That is, these are all the fractions type. Okay, so 1000, 100, tens. Okay, ones, tenth, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so how to remember this? King Henry. King Henry drinks usually dark chocolate milk. So HKHT UDCM. UDCM. Okay. And next one, the standard unit of the length. Standard unit of the length. The standard measuring the length is meter. Okay, and then standard unit of measuring mass. Mass is gram. Okay, gram. And next one, standard unit of the measuring the capacity. Okay, capacity is it? Yes, capacity is liter. Okay, so what are the standard unit of measuring the length is meter, mass is gram, and capacity is liter. Okay, we have using this some other measurement for meter, gram, and liter. What are the kilometer? Okay, other units of measuring the length. Other units of measuring the length is kilometer. Okay, and second one is centimeter. And next one is millimeter. Millimeter. And next gram. Other measurements. Okay, so kilogram, kilogram, gram, and then milligram. Milligram. These are the other units of the measuring the length and mass. And also capacity also having the other measurements. What are there? Here not kiloliter is not there, is it? Sorry, kiloliters, correct. Kiloliters, liters, okay, and milliliters. Okay, these are all the standard unit measurements. That's all called the other unit measurements for the meter, gram, and liters. Okay, and next we will see the next one of that, to change from the larger unit to smaller unit. To change the larger unit to smaller unit. For example, conversion of unit, is it? So larger unit and the smallest unit we have changed. What we do? Multiply. We multiply the numbers. See, to change larger unit to smaller unit. This is the largest one, 1000, is it? 1000. So kilogram or kilometer or kiloliter. Okay, from the largest value to convert the smallest value. For example, centimeter or gram, liter, milliliter. Okay, so we have convert like this. You multiply. So the largest unit to smaller unit we multiply. Okay, so direction go to the right side. Okay, and then smaller to larger, smaller, so which side? From the right side to the left side. Okay, so smaller unit to larger unit, we divide the numbers. Okay, so kilo, hectare, deca, unit means meter, gram, liters, so basic units. Okay, and deci, centi and millimeters. Okay, how to remember? King Henry drinks usually dark chocolate milk. Okay, so KHT U DCM. Okay, okay, now move to that problems. Example 14. Okay, so convert the following unit as a director. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுபடி மாற்ற சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேம்மா, the first one is given 6 kilogram into gram. What is that? King Henry drinks usually dark chocolate milk. Okay, so K stands for kilo, H stands for hectare, and D deca, units gram, meter, liter, and then D deci, C centi, M millimeter. So, okay, this is the largest value, is it? So very smallest value. Okay, right, and B one of that 12 kilometer into meter, and C 8 meter into centimeter. Okay, see, so what is the first one? Unit is gram, gram is given. Okay, so kilogram, so 6,000. Okay, into the gram ku convert பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So arrow mark move to the right side. What we do? We multiply. என்னமா பண்ணணும்? Multiply. So how many decimal places move? 1. So move to the gram, is it? 1 2 3, so 1000. How to multiply by 1000? So solution right here. First one, 6 kg into is equal to 6 into how many grams? 1000 grams is equal to 6000 gram. Okay, and next one, B 12 kilometer. So kilometer, here also start from the largest value to which one? Meter, smallest one. Here also multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 12,000 meter. And next one, C 8 meter to centimeter. So 8 meter, unit is meter, meter to centimeter. So how many places? 10th, 100th. Centi means 100th. So multiplied by 100. So 8 into 100 centimeter is equal to 800 centimeter. Okay, right. And next one, 15th example. Convert the following unit as director. First one, 8 kilometer 5 meter into meter into meter, and B 8 gram 430 milligram into gram into milligram. Okay, so convert. First one is the largest value, okay, to the smallest value. Kilometer is given, so kilometer move to the meter, so 1000. So multiply largest value to smallest value, so we have multiply. Solution, A 8 kilometer can written as 8 into 1000, so 8000 meter. 8000 meter. Already have 5 meter plus 5 meter is also there, is it? 8 kilometer 5 meter is also given. Okay, so it can expanded like this, meter plus 5 meter equal to 8008 into 1000 meter plus 5 meter. After 8000 meter plus 5 meter, 8005 meter. And next one B 8 grams. Okay, so 8 gram 430 milligram. So gram converted to milligram, gram converted to milligram. Here also smallest, greatest value to smallest value, so here also multiply by 1000. Okay, so 8 into 1000 milligram plus 430 milligram. Eight 8430 milligram. Okay, okay, next one, example 16. Convert the following unit as the direct. Here also give it some units. Okay, the first one, write the solution directly. Solution, A is given 520 meter into kilometer. So meter, unit is meter is given, move to the left side, so smallest value to largest value. Okay, in the previous problem we have learned the largest value to smallest value, so we have multiply the units. Okay, the place values we have multiplied. Here the smallest value to the largest value, so we have divide. Okay, so 1000 change to the kilometer, so unit is meter is given, so meter to kilometer, so divided by 1000, divided by 1000. So 520 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to, so how many decimal, how many zeros having the divisor? 3. So decimal point move to the left side, 1 2 3, so 0.520. Okay, 0 kilometer, kilometer. B1 273 gram into kilogram. So here also gram to kilogram, so smallest value to to change the smallest value from the largest value, okay, to the largest value. So we divide the place values. We divide the place value of kilogram as 1000. So 273 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay. So what is that? The device are having the 3 zeros. Device are having the 3 zeros. So the decimal point move which side? Left side. Okay. So from the right side 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0.273 kilogram. Okay. And C problem, 34 millimeter into centimeter. So this also from the very smallest value to the largest value, is it? So smallest value to largest value, what we do? We divide the place value. So millimeter to centimeter. So how many places? Only 10. 10th place. Okay. So divided by 10. So 34 divided by 10, because milli to centi only one. Okay, only one place value. So divided by 10 is equal to 3.4. Why do you put 3.4? The device are having only one divisor, only one zero. So the decimal point move to left side one decimal place. So 3.4 centimeter. And D problem, 500 ml, milliliter to liter. So milliliter, so very smallest unit, is it, to the liter. So we have divide the 1000, because how many places? 1, 2, 3. 3 places are there. So 500 divided by 1000 liter. Okay, so how many zeros are in the divisor? 3 zeros. So the decimal point move to the left side of how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0.500 liter. Okay, I hope you are understood this concept. Okay, next we will move the exercise problems. Exercise 4.3. Okay, convert the unit and fill in the blanks. Convert the units and fill in the blanks. The first one, 0.79 meter. 0.79 meter. Second problem, 50 kilometer. Fourth one, 165 millimeter. To meter. So centimeter, here meter. And fifth one, 4.7 kilometer is equal to gram. 73 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Eighth one, 0.75 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Okay, listen. So first one, 0.79 meter. Meter converted to this centimeter. Okay, so where is the unit? Gram, meter, liter. Okay, so meter to centimeter. So So largest value to smallest value, what we do? We multiply. Okay, so largest value to smallest value, divide. Okay, smallest value to largest value, divide. Okay, so largest value to smallest value, so meter to centimeter. So how many decimal places? 1, 2. So multiply by 100, multiply by 100. So 0.79 into 100 centimeter. So what we get? The decimal point move to the right side because here product is given. Okay, so how many places, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So decimal point move to the 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So answer is 79.0 centimeter. Okay, and next one, 50 kilometer is equal to centimeter. So largest value to smallest value. Okay, so how many places are there? 1 here to here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have multiply. How many zeros? 50 into 5 zeros. So 1 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh. Okay, Amma, because kilometer to which one? Centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiplied by 1 lakh into 50. Which one? Centimeter. So multiply, what we get? 50 lakhs. Okay. And next one, 165 millimeter to meter, millimeter. So the smallest unit to the largest unit. So here to here. So in this place we have which operation? Divide. Apply the division. So how many places? Milli to meter, 1, 2, 3. So 4, where is it? 165 divided by how many places? 3 places, is it? Here, start from here, millimeter. Okay, millimeter to meter. So 1, 2, 3. So 1000 divided by 1000. So that is how many how many zeros in the divisor? 3 zeros. So decimal point move from the right side to left side. How many places? 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So 0.165. 0.165 meter. And next one, 4.7 kilogram is equal to gram. So kilogram to gram. So largest value to smallest value. Largest value to smallest value, we multiply. So 1000. Okay, multiplied by 1000. 4.7 into 1000. 1, 2, 3. So 1000 multiply. What we get? Already 4.7 is there. So 3 zeros in the multiplication. So 1, how many places? 3 places. Move to the right side. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 4700. Okay. Which one? Gram. So answer is 4700 gram. And next 73 meter to centimeter. So meter to centimeter. So how many places? 1, 10 and 100. So divided by 100. So move to which one? smallest to largest or largest to smallest, meter to centimeter. So largest to smallest, largest to smallest, meter to centimeter. So meter is the largest value. So largest value to smallest value we will multiply. So 73 into 100 is equal to centimeter. Okay, and next 0.75 kilometer, kilometer to meter. So here also largest value to smallest value. So multiply the hundreds. So 0.75 into 1000 is it, kilometer to meter. So 1 2 3. So 1000 multiply the decimal point, move forward how many places, 3 places, 1 2 3. So 750 meter. The answer is 750 meter. Eighth, next 10th one. 3 gram 20 milligram. So 3 gram means converted to milligram, converted to milligram, gram to milligram. So largest value to smallest value we have to multiply. So 3 into how many places, 3 places. So 1000 plus 20 milligram. Now added these values, 3000 milligram plus 20 milligram. So add 3020 milligram. Okay, and 11th one, 7 kiloliter is equal to liter. So kiloliter to liter. So how many decimal places, 1 2 3, 1000. So largest value to smallest value we multiply, largest value to smallest value we multiply. Therefore 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000 liter. Okay, so answer is 7000 liter. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, so largest value to smallest value we have to multiply, and then smallest value to largest value we have divide. Okay, I will write the homework. Point 3, first 3 6 9 12. Complete and send it to the Johor. Thank you, students.